fake drone shot number 360. Let's go.
Good morning guys, and welcome to day 9 of our travel daily vlog. We're still in Toronto and we will start this day from stunning view on the city from above, and for this we will go to some fancy restaurant called Canoe, and it's located in some of those buildings. If I remember correctly, it's over there on 51st or 52nd floor. But if you will decide to go there, you need to check the schedule first, because this restaurant not working every day, and sometimes it has crazy working hours. For example, starting from 12 and closing at 6. So check the schedule and then go. So the restaurant located in 54th floor. You just press and wait in elevator. It's right here. Also on the floor 53 you can see the view as well, even better because the windows are bigger.
Now we're heading to show you another Banksy piece. It's located in Toronto in the corner of Church Street and Esplanade. By the way, we're lucky to have these few days in Toronto in such a nice weather.
And we're almost here. Ta-da! Nice. Okay, the Banksy place is done. Where we should go next?
Let's go to the mall today. Just kidding, we're going to Toronto Islands.
Okay. I used to work as Uber delivery driver here in Toronto for 7 months, so I know dozens of good hotels and every residential building which has some viewpoint on the floor. So another one is right here. It's Westin Harbor Hotel. You can get personal lake taxi, which costs a lot, or you can go by this public transport, public ferry, and the price is about 8 Canadian dollars, which is pretty cheap, and you get pretty cool experience. So right now we are in Toronto Island on Center Island ferry stop right here, and you can walk all the way up to the beach and the pier, or you can go left to the Wards Island. Actually, a couple years ago we used to rent Airbnb in this area. That was pretty cool. And if you go on the right, here is Billy Bishop Toronto Airport, and you have some pretty cool island called Donut Island. There is no better spot to see the view of Toronto skyline than here from Toronto Island. So this place is definitely must-go place, even if you're in Toronto just for a couple days. No, really, just look at this view. The CN Tower, the Rogers Centre Arena, hundreds of skyscrapers, the ducks, the seagulls, sometimes swans. So like, that place is amazing. I don't even have the words to describe it. Also, I can see some swans over there, so let's go and try to get closer. Pretty complicated to walk on these rocks, but it's worth it because I saw this one so close. Almost fell off. Oh shit. Whew. The good things that on Insta360 X5, if you broke the lens, you can replace it, but I don't want to break the lens because I don't have replacement kit with me, and I would like to order it. Travels are travels, but work hasn't been cancelled, right?
Right, let's go.
Get back to the work.
We have been on Toronto Islands a couple times, and we never have seen this farm before. I don't know why, we just skipped that part. Look, they have some donkeys here and also over there. They have horses, they have chickens, some cats, which is great. Fun part, they have llamas here. Look at them. There are 3 of them, black, white, and the
Red hat.
ginger one.
Hello.
They're so funny. It's very careful.
Horses may bite, or horses June bite, or horses July bite, or horses August bite, or horses September bite, right?
Yep.
By the way, guys, despite filming every day for our vlog, unfortunately we won't be able to upload videos on YouTube daily. We just don't have enough time to edit it, especially with this 360-degree camera where you need to choose right angle after shooting. So the videos will come as often as we can, but you'll definitely will see some cool shots from every single day of our journey.
Fake drone shot number 360. Let's go. Well guys, day 9 is over. I hope you enjoyed and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.